It is something that I'm so proud of because it's rooted with, of course, our favorite halo-halo with my own twist. So, what I do, kasi normally, nasanay tayo na ang halo-halo natin, ang yelo natin ay tubig, di ba? So, what I do, especially in Adobo, you can get this in Adobo. Yung ice pala may flavor niya.
Oh, okay, so it's not just water, may halo na siya.
So, this is a mixture of coconut milk and evaporated milk. Ooh. So, it's very creamy. So, kahit matunaw siya, hindi siya parang lasang tubig.
Correct, okay.
So,
that's the first pro tip.
ako kasi, pag naghahalo-halo ako, I only put what I like. So, I don't like beans, I don't So, non-negotiable ko yan. I like sago. And ito yung mga recipes na galing from, dishes na galing sa Adobo is my own buttered kamote, buttered saba.
Oh, okay.
And sweetened kamote. And black sesame pulveron and cream cheese leche flan.
Wow, parang sobrang level up ng mga ingredients natin. Kaya naman pala siya nag-viral.
So, inandaran ko talaga si Gordon Ramsay. Pero, I'm happy na ang nanalo ay estudyante. Kasi deserve nila yung boost na yun.
So gracious. I love that.
And this is cheese because I like the mixture of sweet and savory.
Sweet, salty, that
yes.
combo. Oh, yes,
so,
I love that.
Yun talaga. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matapis, but when I have my dessert, I make it a point that it has that salty element.
Para hindi na tayo maumay. We can have more.
So, isuot po na natin atong Kiowa air.
We gotta put on the apron because she's a professional like that, okay? Chef Juday in the house. Alright, we're gonna use the Kiowa eye shaver, of course, to do this one. Okay, so we went through ayun, may pang tayo.
Ay, ayun na. Akala ko, hindi pa ako narinig. Tumawag ako ng gusto. Okay, so, it's very, very simple. I love nata, so I put that at the bottom. And ayun yung isa sa pinakamaraming. Kumbaga, 40% of my halo-halo is nata.
Parang dapat nasa title yung nata.
Hindi lang black sesame. And then the kamote on the side.
Parang mas healthier din siya.
Konting ko, hindi siya kasing tamis.
Right. And parang it's just more nutritious.
Ng ibang halo-halo. That's why I don't like the beans. Siguro growing up, hindi lang talaga ako nasanay sa beans. At saka yung kaong, hindi ako mahilig sa kaong. But nata is non-negotiable. This is the saba, it's buttered. So dahil solidify na yung melted butter, when you eat it, you actually feel the butter.
The richness.
The richness of the butter. So I'll add this little sago in the middle. Actually, pag kayo yung bumuo nito, kahit ano kasi kaya nga halo-halo kasi hahaluin yun, di ba? So it really doesn't matter.
That's the beauty of the halo-halo, you're right. You can customize it and just use the ingredients na gusto mo.
So sa two slices of langka, if mahilig kayo sa langka, pwede yung damihan pa. And some cheese in the middle.
Salty sweet.
Yes, and there are black sesame pulveron.
So, as in literally, you just pulse pulveron and black sesame seeds?
I make my own mixture of black sesame pulveron. We have our own recipe for this in Adobo.
Oh, I see.
And then our ice.
Of course, the all-important.
Yes.
Oh,
so you will be also getting your own ice shaver.
Yeah, ito na
Diba? So you can add, depende on, you can make your own flavors of ice. So you can play around. It could be ube, it could be strawberry, it could be gatas ng kalabaw. Kung ano yung trip nyo, go. Walang mali.
I'm really excited to see the texture of this
ice. The texture of this ice is very fine. Hindi ito yung parang nakalakihan natin ng araw na that you can bite on the ice.
Yes, yes.
This actually melts in your mouth.
Oh, promising, right?
And it's easy. It's no mess.
Oh, you're right. It's so fine.
It's very, very fine. Parang siyang snowflake. And this comes with a scooper. Para, cute-cute yung scooper that you can use kapag ka nag-ano na siya. Yung ice ko lang kasi, since it's made from milk, may mga moments that it could get stuck. So, ibababa nyo lang, isisingit nyo lang siya doon. May hole yan sa loob eh. Yan, ipapasok nyo lang yung ice doon sa parang ilalim ng gap.
Understandable, because the mixture was chopped up into chunks.
Yes.
No? So you just have to kind of help
Just
it
really,
along.
there you go. You
Yeah.
just have to put it inside. So makikita nyo po, may ganyan yan sa loob. You put the ice inside of the shaver.
I also really like the color scheme of your halo-halo.
Yes, kasi parang sa panahon ngayon, you also have to put it, you have to incorporate the aesthetic.
Oh, you eat with your eyes first.
Oo, diba? Hindi ka na nga nagdadasal bago kumain. Pinipicturan mo muna bago kumain. Diba? Guilty ka na. Ako din naman. Ako rin naman. So, like that. So, ibig sabihin, you just have to push it back. Ayan, para mag-shave pa siya.
You know, this ice mixture is doing so much work already because it's so flavorful. We can help it along a little bit.
Yes.
Pero ang bilis lang din, no? Parang hindi naman siya nagsastruggle to shave.
Wala. Kailangan mo lang siyang tulungan ipasok sa loob. But otherwise, yan na siya. Oh, I love it na para siyang snowflake.
Nai-imagine ko na yung texture niya actually.
Ay, ako na-excite pa.
It's like melting already.
There you go. Ay, nalagyan ako lang. Ay, sorry. So, we add our ice here. Para siyang sorbet.
Yes. Actually, I mean, you know, if you don't want to do this, you can make your own sorbet.
Yes, yes, definitely. And it's more healthier kasi ikaw ang gumawa. Ikaw ang nagbuo.
If you're a mom who has kids, I'm sure you know your kids would absolutely love this. And if you're concerned about nutrition, again, you can customize this to your liking.
And this is a very nice equipment to have at home kasi it's also easy to clean.
Oh, that's such a big part.
Yan ang pinakamalaking bonus talaga kasi wala naman tayong mga dishwasher kung masyado sa atin.
Oo, baka pa rin tayo gamitin yan kung mahirap siyang
So medyo messy lang itong buuin, but you add your cheese. Wala lang lang. I'll add your... Siguro maganda unahin ko yung black sesame. Just a bit, kasi meron na tayo sa gitna.
I like how the black sesame is so glaring with the white shaved ice.
At ang dumi-dumi na station. Sorry po.
Hindi ko nakapinsin.
Hindi ko maiwasan. And some cheese at top. Malinis po ang kamay ko. And of course, this is your cream cheese flan.
Cream cheese flan.
Yes. This is a recipe that I created when I cooked for the nuns in the Vatican.
The Vatican, like the Vatican.
The Vatican.
Whoa!
Nagkataon lang that I was able to cook for some nuns there in their dormitory. And ito yung recipe na naisip kong gawin sa kanila. So I added this also in Andredomo.
Let me guess, they said, why this is so simple.
Yeah! Napatawad naman ako agad. There you go. So this is your black sesame polvoron halo-halo.
I love it. It's a beautiful looking halo-halo. Again, it was so easy to assemble. Of course, the eye shaver from
Really help. Yun talaga
Super
yun.
help. Yes.